Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use GeoData without recharge. If you are ever low on data and cannot recharge immediately, Geo offers a helpful emergency data loan. You can borrow 1 GB of data instantly, which is perfect for urgent needs. Access this feature directly through the MyGeo application on your smartphone. Remember, this is a loan, so you will need to repay the amount later, but it gives you immediate relief when you need it most. One of the most effective strategies for using data without a current recharge is to connect to Wi-Fi networks. Utilize your home or office Wi-Fi whenever it is available to save your mobile data. Additionally, look for free public Wi-Fi hotspots in cafes, malls, or airports. Geo also provides some GeoNet hotspots that you might be able to access. Always be cautious when using public Wi-Fi, ensuring it is a secure connection before performing sensitive tasks, but it is a fantastic way to stay connected. Beyond emergency loans, always check for any promotional data vouchers that Geo might offer. These are often included with specific recharges or as a bonus, and can provide an extra 1 or 2 GB of data. Open your MyGeo app to see if you have any unused coupons. If not, consider purchasing a small, inexpensive data-only voucher. These vouchers are separate from your main plan and can be a lifesaver when you only need a little extra data to get by for a short period. To make your existing or borrowed data last longer, practice smart data management. Go into your phone settings and disable background app refresh for apps you do not use constantly. Always download large files, videos, or music when you are connected to Wi-Fi, allowing you to enjoy content offline. Most web browsers and social media apps also offer data saver modes, which compress content and dramatically reduce your data usage. These small changes can significantly extend your available data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.